Bacopa monnieri, Brahmi, thyme-leafed gratiola, water hyssop, herb of grace. Indian pennywort is a perennial, creeping herb native to the wetlands of southern and eastern India, Australia, Europe, Africa, Asia, and North and South America. Brahmi is used to treat pain due to nerve problems. A paste made from Brahmi leaves and carrier oil are applied to the affected area to improve the symptoms. It is used to treat neuralgia and sciatica. Brahmi has long history in Indian Ayurvedic medicine. It is widely used for its effect in blood circulation that promotes efficient function of the liver, lungs and the kidneys. Brahmi has been found to be very beneficial in the treatment of anxiety, neurosis and mental fatigue. It has been found to significantly improve IQ levels, general ability, behavioral patterns and mental concentration in children. Brahmi is useful for improving mental clarity, confidence and memory recall. Brahmi is traditionally used to treat skin problems including psoriasis, eczema, abscess and ulceration. Brahmi is used to stimulate skin cell regeneration and growth. Brahmi stimulates kidney function. It promotes the efficient functioning by the kidneys. Brahmi improves the body metabolism. T3 and T4 help control your body's metabolism. Brahmi has anti-inflammatory activity. Brahmi leaves are mixed with other oils and massaged directly to the affected area to alleviate pain and swelling. Brahmi is used for the treatment of rheumatism, arthritis, gout, and other body and muscle pains. Brahmi is used to promote overall health. Brahmi leaves made into a decoction such as tea can rejuvenate not only the mind but the entire body. It combats stress and fatigue. Brahmi leaves decoction is also used to improve the symptoms associated to respiratory problems that may include cough, colds, bronchitis and asthma. It is also used as a poultice and applied over the chest to improve breathing. Fever. The juice from the Brahmi plant is used to treat the symptoms of fever. Brahmi tea is taken to treat constipation and flatulence. For younger children, the warm juice are applied over the stomach to relieve stomach pain. Brahmi is applied to the scalp to promote hair growth and prevent hair fall and graying hair. It is used to treat baldness. Indian medicinal system uses Brahmi to treat the symptoms of leprosy. Thank you.